Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Thursday, July 8th, 11:05 a.m. New York time. Looking here at currencies. We'll look at each candle as a weekly. Since today is Thursday, that candle is not complete until tomorrow, but the grid will be for 1 year length, duration. This 1 year, again, each candle is weekly, and that candle is not completed yet. Looking at the Forex currency pairs. Forex currency pairs have the first 3 letters represent the stronger currency typically, followed by the /. The next 3 letters represent the other currency. So if the trend is up, that's in favor of the currency pair on the left, versus if the currency is declining, that's favor for the currency letters on the left. So first 3 letters, EUR, that's the euro, / USD, US dollar. So we're looking at the euro US dollar. This yellow horizontal line represents the high of the year for the euro against the US dollar. And here's the yellow horizontal line for the low for the euro. So the current trend is down, the momentum is down. That's weakening the euro, giving strength to US dollar. So right now for the week, we're trading back inside the range from the prior week. We made a lower low from last week and a lower high. So the momentum trend has been down for favor of strengthening the US dollar against the euro. Got it. The euro yen, here's the high for the year, and it's declining, giving strength to the yen. Take note, the yen is one of 3 safe haven currencies. The euro made a high against the yen here, and since then it's declining. Smart money is rolling into, and has been rolling into, the yen for safe haven reasons. Fear, maybe so. Very likely so. The euro pound, huge consolidation. So the low for the year is here, the high for the year is here, and it's been in a consolidation for much of the year. Struggle between both of them. Balance is not trending. The euro Canadian dollar, look at this huge move up for the week. This is the favor for the euro. Here's the low for the year, here's the high for the year. So overall, the euro has been declining for the year, giving strength to the Canadian dollar. But now for the current week, we broke above and trading above this consolidation. Coming into this yellow horizontal line, which is midpoint of this huge candle, maybe that would become a sell-off. That might be an opportunity for a trade out there. If it breaks above that, goes above that, well, consider long. Versus if it rejects it, consider short. The euro Swiss franc. See the letters EUR / CHF. Yeah, the Swiss franc is another safe haven currency. And notice it's declining for the year. Here's the high for the year, here's the low for the year. And the current week broke below this consolidation. So this declining is giving strength to the Swiss franc, weakening the euro. Consolidation, breakdown, consolidation, breakdown, consolidation. Do you see a pattern here? Staircase pattern, lower low. Again, we already saw the yen gaining strength against the euro. And now we see the Swiss franc gaining strength against the euro. Plus we saw the US dollar gaining strength against the euro. So again, that's 3 safe haven currencies that are gaining strength against the euro. Who's buying euro? You think it's smart to buy euro? If the momentum's to the downside, and if you're not already out of the euro, and if it goes lower, whose fault is it? Yeah, it's your money, it's your responsibility. Euro, Aussie, dollar. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Aussie's dollar gaining strength. But now for the year, because here's the high. Since we had the bottom, we have the euro gaining strength. Yep. So we'll see if this momentum clears up. But apparently, it's been here that the euro is gaining strength against the Australian dollar, where the other ones are gaining strength against the euro. We'll see how it follows through. Onto the yen pairs. 2 safe haven currencies, US dollar, yen. So when this price is going up in the Forex pair, that favors the US dollar versus, look at this huge sell-off for this week. That's giving strength to the yen against the US dollar. Last week was the high, and it didn't follow through anymore, and trending down for the US dollar gaining strength to the yen here right now. Interesting if we're going to go further down. Yep. Of a lot of fear, you see safe haven currencies rolling into the yen. How long will that be? Euro, yen. We already spoke about that. Yep, yen gaining strength against the US dollar, yen gaining strength against the euro. The pound yen. Look at that. Here's the high for the year for the pound, and it's declining, giving strength to the yen. So we have the yen gaining strength against the euro, yen gaining strength against the dollar, yen gaining strength against the pound. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, same as well too. The Canadian dollar high is declining, giving strength to the yen. It's getting more volatile too. See this consolidation tighter and this consolidation wider. And now this one's even wider. When I say wider, the high and the low, the length of it. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, both safe haven currencies. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. So the first 3 letters are what? Swiss franc. So that means when the prices go up, that's strength for the Swiss franc. Whereas when prices declining, that's strength for the yen. So here's the high. It's been declining, giving strength to the yen. Aussie yen. Yep, the Aussie dollar is losing, where the yen is gaining strength against the Aussie dollar. Now we have to decide, make a good judgment. Is this just a one-time binary event, or is this going to have follow through for the next week, where it's worthy of a trade on this time frame? Or if you're trading, swing trading on a faster time frame or day trading, well, you can look on the faster time frames for those trades. Looking at the pound pairs now, pound US dollar, we already spoke about that. It's a consolidation inside candle for the week. The high and low did not take it out, so it's indecision right now. Or this was a demand zone before buyers stepped in here. That's apparently what's happening here. So now one must watch and wait. You see for a breakout to the upside or downside for this inside candle. But again, the momentum from the high has been down, giving strength to the US dollar against the pound. Pound yen. Yep, we already discussed that too. Pound is gaining strength. Euro pound. Yep, we already spoke about that. Look at this huge consolidation. Pound Canadian dollar. Well, from the high to declining, it was declining, giving strength to the Canadian dollar. Did a reverse here, consolidation, breakout to the upside. So now pound is gaining strength. Huge move up for the week. A lot of these currencies, huge move for the week. A lot of policies have been made, or forward-thinking people are attempting to catch an early trend reverse. And if they're right, good. If they're wrong, hopefully they do good money management, get out of bad positions if they're wrong. Pound Swiss franc. Yep, selling off. Huge consolidation. And now a huge move down, breaking the balance there and giving favor to the Swiss franc. It's interesting. Look at this huge candle back in that week. Drew the midpoint. consolidation, stayed below it, went up this 1 week, tested it 3 weeks ago, rejected it, and then sold off. Good trade single there. Good job out of you. If you trade it bearish, following my guideline, good job out of you. British pound, Aussie dollar. British pound gaining strength against the Aussie dollar. So now we're for the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. High, trending very well. Yep, British pound doing very well against the Australian dollar. Let's look at the US dollar index on cryptocurrency. So the US dollar index, higher high, higher low, momentum's to the upside. Maybe we'll reach this swing high. But make note, the US dollar index is comprised of several currencies. The euro represents 57.6% of this US dollar index. The Japanese yen represents 13.6%. The British pound represents 11.9%. So those are the three large currency pairs in the US dollar, followed by the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and the Swedish crown. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, way off its highs for the years, declining. Near record low for the year. It's not looking good. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel. By going below and clicking on my PayPal link, you can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.